Donovan Mitchell's Adidas D.O.N issue number 7 channels superhero energy with its Spider-Man-inspired theme, despite lacking official Marvel branding. The upper sports a vibrant gradient that shifts from royal blue at the toe to bold red at the heel, mirroring Spidey's classic suit. A black neoprene collar gives off a masked effect, while angular design lines and web-like graphics enhance the comic book aesthetic. Mitchell's Spida nickname and logo stamped on the outsole seal the thematic deal. Though first revealed in kids' sizing, adult pairs are expected to follow. The outsole combines red and blue tones, while a crisp white midsole adds visual contrast. This dynamic sneaker not only delivers performance for the court but also hooks in fans with its storytelling flair. No official release date yet, but buzz is growing. Expect the D.O.N issue number 7 to make waves as a top fall 2025 conversation piece.